When it comes to breakfast, many of us either grab something quick as we run out the door or skip it altogether. But what if we could have an easy grab-and-go version of French toast that's stuffed with strawberry cheesecake? Well, you can, and it's a heck of a lot easier than you might be thinking. First, we start by cutting the crust off some basic white bread and rolling it out with a rolling pin. After setting those aside for a sec, we mix together some softened cream cheese, strawberry jelly, an egg yolk, and a bit of sugar. Now, we spread this over the bread, then roll each one up pinwheel style before placing them seam side down on a baking sheet. We brush them with some melted butter and roll them in cinnamon sugar. Once they're all done, we'll pop them in the freezer to firm up. Come breakfast time, all that's left to do is bake them for about 20 minutes and they're done. Eat them as is, or maybe top them with some fresh berries, a bit of syrup, or both for a decadent way to start your day. To get the recipe for our strawberry cheesecake breakfast roll-ups, all you need to do is visit our website. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a 2-in-1 way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm.